guys, so I am in Florida at St. Augustine at this pristine beach, absolutely quiet, no one around here, so no need for masks. I can work out in the open comfortably. I don't know if you can hear me because the waves are pretty loud, but I'm very excited to share my workout today. I'm working out at the beach. I did not carry any equipment, but I wanted to show you that it's easy to stay fit and you don't have to work out for very long. Each exercise would be performed for about 10 to 15 counts. That's it. Then you take about 20 seconds break and get back to the same routine. So it's completely up to you if you can do 2 sets or 3 sets, but within 30 minutes, you can burn up to 300 calories. So if you think you're on a beach and you want to go for a long walk, trust me, just working out for 30 minutes is going to burn way more calories than going for a walk. But then of course I will be going for a long walk, because who wouldn't want to go out on a walk on this beautiful beach? Stay with me. Body, but when you commit to long-term workouts, anything that's beyond hour and a half, strict diets, it is hard to stay committed for long, and chances are that you will fail. If you watch my recent video, I talked about achieving goals, 3 easy tips that will help you achieve goals in 2021, and one of the point in that video talks about the myth of I do not have time. We all have time, we just need to know how to make time for things that are the most important to you. And I want you to say this with me. Say it for yourself, that I am important, I am beautiful, I need to prioritize myself. When I am happy, everyone else around me is happy. When I respect myself, everyone around me respects me. So respect that body of yours, treat it like it deserves some time, some commitment, and watch the changes. I am Parmita and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, Blush with me, Parmita. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button. Watch me every week. When you hit that little bell icon you see next to the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video with your friends who want to work out. This workout is not just for beaches, it is friendly for beach because I don't have any equipment, and if you don't have any equipment at home, you can work out the same anywhere at home as well. I am on Instagram and Facebook fan page as well. You will see my information, everything in the description below. I will see you next week. Until then, make sure to focus on yourself and blush with me. Oh, and let me know if you like this workout and you want me to show you all my workouts while I'm here on my beach vacation.